Hi, Christine Toney with Essentially Styled with Lila Rose. I just wanted to come on here today to share with you some of the new releases that are coming in November, and they are stunning. I'm so excited. Just when I think Lila Rose can't come out with anything even better than what they already have, they do, and they surpass our expectations. So I just wanted to share with you a few of the things that are coming out in November that will be released on November 1st. And at the end of the video, I will also share a new exclusive and another one that's coming that'll be available probably briefly until it sells out for the third time. So stay tuned for those. One of the first things I'm going to show you is the Caterina hairband. This is stunning. When I saw this, they're coming out with a lot of new hairbands. I only got the one because I'm waiting to place an order in November, but this one I just had to see it in person. It is beautiful. It has so many different colors in that, and it looks so pretty on. It will go with so many different things. Now remember that each hairband comes with an elastic to match the color of your hair, not the hairband but the hair. So, and they're adjustable with the elastic strap, kind of adjustable like a bra strap. Only hairbands that don't roll off my head. So that's Caterina, and there are other ones coming out. There's a pearl one that's gorgeous, a lot of different stone ones similar to this, but I had to see this one sooner. I didn't want to wait till November to see it. And then we have, I love the name of these, Priscilla and Presley. These are, if you can see, purple stones. They coordinate, so they're a little bit different if you can see but they coordinate well, but the beading is done a little differently on each one. But I love to coordinate two sticks, but sometimes I like having a little bit of variety, so these are perfect with the purple tones, for just putting in two that coordinate. So Priscilla and Presley, love the name. Then we have, look at this. We love elephants, and so they're coming out with an elephant bobby. So excited about seeing this one. And they come in, there's a left and a right, so you can get a mix. You can get them both on the same side. So think about how you'd wear them. If you'd put them both on the same side, then you may want to get two of the same, two like right-handed or left, or not really right-handed or left-handed, but left or right. Or if you're going to put them on both sides of your head, you want to get the mix. So think about that when you order which you want, any of those directional bobbies. So that's the bobby. Oh, and it's really nice. It's kind of heavy, but cute little elephant. And that's called Eleanor. I'm sorry, not Eleanor, Eleanor. And then we have some new charms that are coming out. We have charms available for our flexies and the hair sticks. So we've got a couple different choices for the flexies that you can add charms to, and some of them just kind of lend themselves to it. So we have an angel that's new. We have a Christmas tree that's new, and I love this. This is probably my favorite because if you can see little snowman, oh there, I just really like him. So we have a couple new charms. There's also a cupcake charm, which I probably have but didn't grab. That wasn't in a separate bag, sorry. Then we have, all right, so now, okay, no, not going there yet. Hang on, the best is yet to come. Anybody who remembers Starla, which was a really bright silver in this design, will remember that. It's coming back along with now a rose gold version. It's got some pretty pale pink beads with it. Really, really pretty. I love that combination. But rose gold is very popular, and I love, in fact, I'm wearing rose gold today, and I'll show you something. And they come also in the U-pins. And one is, I like the fact that there's one larger, one smaller, just for added effect. I like that. So that is the Starla, and so that'll be available in the bright silver and the clear beads, or the rose gold and the pink beads. They're bringing back a new variation on our Dogwood. This is a beautiful pink. I'm so excited. We've really been needing some pink clips, so it's got some pearlized beads here and then the enamel paint there. Really pretty. It would go well if I was doing silver, but I'm doing rose gold today, which I'm going to show you in a second. All right, I want to make sure I hit everything. Okay. Everyone knows our Swerves and how amazing they are. Well, I happen to have one in my hair, but you can't see it, can you? Because it's a baby Swerve. Actually, a small Swerve. They're not saying baby Swerve. Small Swerve. So you can see the difference. This is going to be great for people with thin hair or short hair or doing half-ups. So I have that one. It's in the rose gold. You can probably barely see it there, but it completely disappears into the little Celtic knot I put up in a half back. So it's great for just putting up a little bit of hair, and they can almost completely disappear. So you could still do a French twist with this. Ponytails are great with the smaller one. So, and they come in, I'll show you the 4 different finishes of the small Swerves. Okay, black nickel, rose gold, and gold. So those are awesome. Now, we talked about the Swerve. We came out with some beaded Swerves that were awesome, but now they're coming out with some even more awesome Swerves. And I want you to see this, if I can put this in my hair so that you can see what it looks like. Now, it's probably going to show because I have half my hair up. But isn't that pretty? With just the silver showing. That is Aurora. And if you look at the picture, if you go to the website, these again will be available on the 1st. You'll be able to see it in hair, and it is stunning. So I'm really excited about the Aurora in the Swerve. Then we also have, these are called Alexandra, and there's 2 variations. There's blues and a rainbow. Look at those beads. They are beautiful, and they really are. They're prettier, I'm sure, than you can see in the video. They're just really pretty the way they sparkle. And this one's just kind of like a pastel bead, so would go with everything. And look how they catch the light. Really excited about those. And then we have, oh, I love this one. This one is called Aurora. And this one, and I have to say, this one I'm going to have to send back, and they're great about doing that because one of the beads came out on the bottom here, the stones. And they have a great return policy, so I will be getting a new one of those. But I love that. Isn't that stunning? And if you see that centerpiece, I missed out on the Flexies of the month that are coming in November, so I can't show those here, but I will as soon as I get them. They sold out before I could get them. I focused on some of these other things first and thinking there would be more of those. But they will be available for you on the 1st, but I would go order early because they have this centerpiece, and they have the crystal clear one, and they also have one in purple stones. And is gorgeous. So then that's called, I'm trying to think, it's Aurora is the clear one, and Tansy for Tanzanite is the purple one. So be looking for those on the 1st as well. Beautiful. And now probably the thing I was most excited about. People have been asking for a high-end line in Lila Rose, just some more pricier pieces. So we are using Swarovski crystals. I'm not sure. This is gorgeous. And of course they started with purple, which I was thrilled about. But it is stunning. It is so pretty in the hair. I'll be taking some pictures. Now this one will not be available on the 1st. They sold out for stylists. Of course, I'm not surprised, but they will be back. So let me know. Now this is a higher end line. This was going to probably be, it's $48. So because of the crystals. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I'm curious to know how that's going to go. I love it. I think it's absolutely worth it and more. So let me know your thoughts on the Viola. So it's Viola, and it will be back hopefully sometime in November, but not necessarily on the 1st from what I understand. Okay, so those are, oh, I forgot the bobbies. Isabel bobbies are also coming back in the rose gold. These, actually, are not coming back. These are brand new, but they match our Isabel dangle flexies that were similar in the rose gold. But look how pretty those are. I don't know if you can, they just really are nice. And then, so that's some of what's coming on the 1st. There are some more that I did not get that I'm hoping to order on the 1st, but these I wanted to see in person first. So be watching on the 1st for these new items to come out. Now this one is going to be available on the 30th. These are the sugar skulls. Again, have sold out so quickly. This is probably not going to be, I don't know, it may end up being a permanent line, I'm not sure, but right now it's not. It's very limited, and it has sold out twice already. It will be available again on the 30th, and I'm certain it's going to sell out again quickly. So if you are interested in the sugar skulls, I have 2 small, so if you're interested in a small, let me know. But they will be available at 10 o'clock Eastern on the 30th. So 7 o'clock Pacific, and everything in between. You can figure out your times, but 10 o'clock Eastern, they will be available. They will disappear quickly. So if you want the sugar skulls, you may want to move on those. And so now this is the stylist exclusive, and it's called Italia. And I just love this. It's got the dangle chain, really kind of a smooth chain. You can see that just the way it shimmers, and it's got a little knot there with that. And then the beading, it's got the kind of the smoke pearlized beads and then the smoke crystal beads. I just really like this dangle. So, and the dangles are kind of long. So let me take this other thing out of my hair and hold it up so you can get an idea of what it would look like in hair. I can do this without taking up. So I'm just going to hold it up, not really put it in, but you can see what that would look like. Really cute. And then, so that's an exclusive, and I happen to have 2 mediums and 2 smalls in that. And then they came out with a coordinating U-pins. So I really like that. I'll be posting some pictures in my hair soon, sometime, but they have those in the U-pins, okay, a set of 2, and I have, I think, 3 sets of those. So let me know your thoughts on what you think of the new stuff. I'm excited. I'm sure there's going to be even more stuff, but check in on the first to keep up with that, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.